Have you ever wondered who's on the other side of the line when you're struggling with a technical issue? Today, we're diving into the fascinating role of help desk support. It's a world often overlooked, yet it's the backbone of any business, ensuring smooth operation and customer satisfaction. In this video, we'll explore the nuances of this role, starting with an overview of the responsibilities. From troubleshooting technical problems to providing expert advice, the help desk support role is a dynamic one that requires a unique skill set. We'll also delve into the skills and experience needed to excel in this position. Whether you're tech savvy or a complete novice, you may be surprised by what it takes. In the trenches of technology, help desk support specialists are the unsung heroes working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep the gears of industry turning. So, are you ready to unveil the hidden world of help desk support? Stay tuned as we unravel the intricacies of this vital position. So, what exactly does a help desk support do on a daily basis? Well, let's dive into that. At its core, a help desk support role is all about problem solving. When a user encounters a technical issue, they'll reach out to the help desk, and that's where you come in. You'll be the first line of defense, troubleshooting these issues and finding solutions to keep things running smoothly. From forgotten passwords to software glitches, you're the superhero who saves the day. But it's not just about fixing problems. You'll also be responsible for maintaining systems, ensuring they're up to date and working as efficiently as possible. Think of it as giving your car a regular tune-up to avoid those breakdowns in the first place. And then there's user support. This means guiding users through new software, answering their questions, and sometimes even training them on how to use different tools. As you can see, help desk support is a role that keeps the wheels of a business turning. Now that we know what a help desk support does, what skills and experience do you need to land this role? Well, let's dive into it. Firstly, problem-solving skills are paramount. You'll be the detective, deciphering user issues and troubleshooting tech glitches. It's like a puzzle, each piece leading you closer to the solution. Next, communication skills. We're talking about clear, concise, jargon-free language. Remember, you're not always speaking to tech pros, so making complex issues understandable to everyone is crucial. Thirdly, patience and empathy. You'll deal with frustrated users, so keeping a cool head and understanding their perspective is key. Now let's talk experience. Typically, employers look for a minimum of 1 year in a tech support role or related field. But don't fret if you're fresh out of school. Internships, tech-related coursework, or even helping your grandma set up her new smartphone can count towards experience. Armed with these skills and experiences, you'll be well prepared for a career in help desk support. Every job has its challenges and opportunities. What about help desk support? Like any role, help desk support has its fair share of challenges. One of the primary ones is dealing with frustrated users. It's not always easy to keep cool when someone else is losing their temper. But remember, your role is to be the calm in the storm, the problem solver who turns a user's frown upside down. Another challenge is staying up to date with rapidly changing technology. The tech world never sleeps, and as a help desk support, you'll need to keep pace with it. But with challenges come opportunities. This role is a gateway to the IT sector. As you gain experience, you'll learn about different technologies, improving your skills and knowledge. You may start as a help desk support, but who knows where you could end up? IT manager, network administrator, the opportunities are endless. Despite the challenges, help desk support is a role that offers plenty of room for growth and development. Intrigued by the world of help desk support? Here's what you can do next. Consider diving deeper into the field. Seek out internships or entry-level positions. This way, you'll gain first-hand experience and understand the intricate workings of this role. You might wonder, what's in it for you? Well, let's talk about the perks. A help desk support role offers a competitive salary. You can expect a healthy work-life balance with a steady 9-to-5 schedule. Not to mention the satisfaction of solving problems and making people's workdays smoother. As you progress, you'll find opportunities to specialize or move into related roles. You might become a network engineer or an IT manager. The sky's the limit. Remember, your journey towards becoming a help desk support starts today. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and check out our other videos for more insights into diverse career paths.